Florencepart1 said, "Man must prepare for the thing he has asked for, even when there isn't the slightest sign of it in sight." You should make yourself the best receiver in order to get what you want. If you do not pretend that you already have what you want, even just a little bit, and always have a plan B instead of preparing for plan A, then you are not a good receiver. Remember, man can only receive what he can envision himself receiving. If you feel you are not worthy of the things you want, then you probably won't get them. Or even if you do, they will slip away slowly but surely. The subconscious mind has no sense of humor, and people often talk themselves into unhappy experiences. Self-deprecating humor might be funny and make you appear humble and relatable. But your subconscious does not have the same opinion. It takes you at your word. So if you use humor with yourself, use self-aggrandizing humor. You will still look cool and you will not work against yourself. Bills should be paid cheerfully, and all the money should be sent forth fearlessly and with a blessing. Whenever you pay something with worries, frustration, and fear, you are living in a mindset of lack instead of abundance. Smile, pay, and know it will come back to you tenfold in due time. Make an affirmation immediately upon waking. For example, "Thy will be done this day. Today is a day of completion. I give thanks for this perfect day. Miracles shall follow miracles, and wonders shall never cease." Make this a habit, and you will see wonders and miracles come into your life. How often do we ruin a day by allowing our minds to go negative as soon as we wake up? One simple thought in the other direction, a positive one, can save you from having a really bad day. Set the tone, affirm that this day is yours, and this day will be a great one.